Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style garlic chicken. This chicken recipe is just so yummy with the garlicky taste, and the chicken in it is just so juicy and perfect. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन तळे थिया डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. So here I have pre-marinated half kg of boneless chicken with half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon oil. I marinated it overnight. After that break and add 1 egg. Add 3 tablespoons of cornflour and 2 tablespoons of Maida or all-purpose flour. Mix well and coat the chicken. Our chicken is well coated and ready for frying now. Heat oil in a kadai. Drop the chicken pieces one by one. Deep fry the chicken pieces in medium hot oil. Fry the pieces till they are golden brown in color. Our chicken pieces have turned perfectly golden brown. Take them out on a plate. Deep fry all the chicken pieces like this. Now in a kadai heat 2 tablespoons of oil. To that add 1 inch ginger grated. Four tablespoons of chopped garlic. Saute garlic for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 2 to 3 onions diced. Saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 2 tablespoons of red chili paste and mix well with the onions. Add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and give it a mix. Add half cup of water and mix. Then add 2 teaspoons of sugar, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give everything a good mix. Bring it to a boil and then add cornflour slurry. I have mixed 1 teaspoon of cornflour with 1 teaspoon of water. Mix it well. Now add the fried chicken pieces. Mix well and coat the chicken with the sauce. And our garlic chicken is ready. The taste of this garlic chicken is totally restaurant style. The chicken pieces are just so juicy and the sauce is perfect with the garlic taste. So do try this out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.